Hello, guys. My name is Israel Ezekiel Mateo, and today I'm going to present my English class. This the subject English language teaching methodology 2, and today we're going to speak about the sounds oo. So, what the objectives about this class? So, recognize the sounds oo, pronounce common word correctly, and practice the sounds oo. So, by the end of this class, you're going to dominate the oo sound. That's the objectives about this class. So, what is the oo sound? The U sound is a short vowel sound. So it's not so long. It's not ooh. It's more like ooh. So the lips are silky rolling and tongue is relaxed and high. So some examples about this sound is book, look, cook, and food. So you can see you know, this. So you can see the sounds like ooh, book, ooh, book, or look, ooh, you know. So let's continue, guys. So rules to pronounce the sounds ooh. The rule number one is rule the lips. Rule is do that. To make a circle with your lips. That's the lips. So you're going to make a circle like so. When producing the sounds oo, the lips form a small row shape. The lips should move slightly forward, but not too tight. This helps produce the correct short vowel sound as in the word book, book, ooh, book, ooh, book, you know. So, short sound. The second rule is a short sound. For example, I cannot say book. I just say book, you know. So the U sound is produced quickly and via fly. It's not stretched or held for a long time. For example, look as a short vowel sounds like good, which has a long U sound. That is a U sound, and that is U. So the rule number three is relax the mouth. You have to be relaxing. Now I exaggerating the sounds, but when you normally use this sound, you have to be relaxing without stretch. So the mounts and though should stay relaxing while producing oo. The jaw is slightly open and the toe is high, but this a relaxing mouth position made the sound softer and more natural. Guide practice. So now I going to pronunciation. No. So guide guide practice. So now let's practice this word. I'm going to pronounce these words and then to you. So repeat after me. Book. Then we have food. Okay. Cook. Then sugar and woman. So, in conclusion, learning the English sounds oo helps a student improve their pronunciations and speaking confidence Through repetition, modeling, and communicate practice, learner can recognize the difference between ooh and other vowel sounds such as ooh. Activities like minimal pairs, sentence practice, and visual support make pronunciation more engaging and understandable. So, you know, now you know the difference between sound and so let's practice. Never stop to practice the English. So that's all. Thank you for listening. Yay.